Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back into another day of Vlogmas, aka Derismas. This is our 31-day holiday marathon. In today's video, you guys, we have the JOYBRIGHT 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. I did purchase this through Ulta. It was originally, I think, $25, marked down to $13, and then I got it for $10 and also got a free gift. Y'all know how I like to shop on Ulta. But we're gonna dive in, and what I'm looking for is packaging. I think the packaging is very, very cute. I wanna see the ease of use, and then did I get my money's worth? Especially for 10 bucks, I'm not gonna judge it too harshly, so we'll go in, and you gotta just pull from the sides here, and each individual box will slide out. So I will start, obviously, with day number 1. All right, day number 1. It is packaged. All right, day number 1 is a JOYBRIGHT lipstick. It does not say anything else. Packaging is cute. Oh, that's like a deep, like brownie Merlot type shade. That is stunning. Okay. Starting off all right, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and seal up day number 1. We'll go into day number 2. Okay, this one was not wrapped up. This is a JOYBRIGHT Matte Lip Cream. Again, there is no shade, and it's in a beautiful kind of neutrally pink shade. All right. Day number 3. Also is not packaged inside there. I don't mind that as long as it's not anything that's breakable. This is the JOYBRIGHT Lip Mask. Again, there is no actual, specifications or anything on here. Okay, so far very lip heavy. Maybe it was all lips, I don't know. You guys, when I try to order the advent calendars, I really try to not look at anything, and I just order and hope for the best. This is a gel eyeliner, and it seems to be black. I do like the packaging in here too. I actually kind of want to swatch this because the last little liner that I got in a subscription box or an advent calendar, it's actually like a deep chocolate brown. Okay, I like that. I don't know how well y'all are gonna see that. Sorry about that. But the last liner that I got in an advent calendar was, it was not good. All right, number 5. Do you have a lucky number? I like 1s and 4s. Is a clear brow gel. Nice. Okay, so I like that we're kind of getting a little bit of a variety in here now. I also like that it's like ease of use. You could honestly, if you were really careful with this, you could probably re-gift this and, fill it up and make your own advent calendar for a loved one. I think that would be cool. Number 6 is, ooh, beautiful. Is a beautiful soft pink with some shimmers lip gloss. So very, very lip heavy. I don't mind that. Okay. Number 7. And I like the advent calendars have kind of come a long way. Especially I feel like if you're like my age bracket. Hold on, this is an eyeshadow primer. Nice, okay. If you're in my age bracket, pretty much advent calendars to us were the little cheap wax tasting candies. Like little bites of chocolate that you opened up every single day during the holiday season. Anybody else remember that? Yeah, so they've come a long way. I enjoy these. Although I will say, I feel like a lot of times, a lot of the more expensive ones that I cannot afford, dude, why are they so high? I saw a chocolate advent calendar that had chocolate truffles in it for $165 for 24 little tiny pieces of candy. No ma'am. All right, this one is also wrapped up. Oh, that's really nice. This is a JOYBRIGHT cream eyeshadow, but it's in I don't even know how to explain that color. A taupey rosy color. That's stunning. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, y'all, I'm liking this. And before anybody comes for me over the MCO Beauty one that I saw all the minis and was not thrilled with, the reason I was upset with that one was because that little hair bow that was in there was a literal piece of trash. If it would not have been for that, and I got that one for $18 on sale, if I'd have paid the $18 and not had that experience with that particular item, I maybe would have judged it a little bit less harshly, if that makes sense. Number 9, I think it's an eyeshadow or something. Pretty! JOYBRIGHT eyeshadow trio, and it's got a deep dark chocolate brown, a mid-tone brown, and then a beautiful kind of icy shade. And I feel like you could honestly probably use these for brows too. I think think this is super cute. I mean, you know, it's not like my favorite all-time thing, but I think if you had somebody that was like new to makeup, especially if you can get it still on like that $13 sale, or like I had a little coupon, I got it for like 10 bucks, even better. This one is also wrapped up, day number 10. This is a blush, question mark? Okay, I'm actually gonna swatch this. Okay, yeah, I do not like that. Oh, it is the best way I can describe it is like a plummy tone, but it feels a little thick and a little tacky. I do not think I would use that, just personally speaking. Day number 11, and I like to open these with y'all, but it's gonna be kind of hard for me to do it like this, and like I'm kind of revealing it in real time with you guys like I like to do. Thus far, I think it's fine, especially for the $10 price point. I think it's fine. All right, day number 11 is also wrapped up. All right, that is a highlighter shade. And day number 12 is a little beauty sponge in a little pink shade. I don't know that this is supposed to have something in it or not, or if it just kind of holds it in place. So I am going to look at the back really quickly just to see. 12-piece makeup advent calendar. The disco ball is actually an ornament, so that's really nice. Okay, yeah, I think overall, and it does show on here like the items that we were supposed to receive. And I like that it's there, but it's not so obvious that it's there, you know what I'm saying? So we're not like ruining the surprise. I feel like for $10 or even for $13 for a preteen, a newbie, or a lot of my friends are looking for like inexpensive makeup to buy like their little ones, little beauties. So I think that'd be a cute gift for them as well. I cannot attest to obviously the quality. And I have so much makeup, you guys. Like I know I swatched a couple of things, but if you want to win this, I'm literally just going to give this away to somebody. So secret giveaway. All rules, all deets are always down in the description box. Yeah, so I'm going to give this all away. I might keep that little eyeshadow, and just please also keep in mind that I did swatch a few of these products. I might keep that because it's just cute as hell, y'all, but I'll figure it out. But basically, the winner's going to get most of this. I genuinely appreciate you guys being here. Thank you for taking the time to come and spend with me. It means more than you guys will ever know. I hope you have an amazing, blessed, happy, and safe holiday season. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.